Yeah, my nephew went NYU, got his bachelor's. Now he's studying in Germany. He wants to become a professor.
Oh.
It's like 9 years. He started college at 19. He's 28. He's just finishing up college.
Well, my son was in the Marines. Got a Langone scholarship for a master's degree of MBA.
He's got his MBA. He's got so many degrees.
No, all you would
He's a
really do
smart
is just
kid.
turn that
Really
wall
smart.
back, says power on the box in the ceiling, leave it on. And then this does everything you need. Yeah, I don't know what you can read it with.
Well, I like the ones with the leaves. You can't change the blades, right?
Oh, yeah, you can change anything.
You can change the blades on that?
With the leaves?
Yeah.
Now, wait a minute, which one do you want to change blades?
Like you can't change the, where was that one that I was looking at?
I don't know. You're talking about
This
these
one here,
over
you can't change the
No.
blades.
No, those are packaged with that fan. Those blades only fit the temporary, with additional fans. These kind of motors.
This here, I don't know, I like the design of it better. Well, what do you think? That's a little...
Yeah, the Captiva 6100 Starfire